Hey, for real guys, thanks for watching that. Just a little fun before I started this video. Hey, so today I wanted to talk about the weeds that I have going on in my lawn. I've got a ton of weeds ever since I went on vacation. I didn't really have a lot of weed pressure. Then I went on vacation for 10 days, I was gone, my yard grew, and I feel like weeds were able to establish because I wasn't cutting frequently like I was before. So what I've mainly got is I've got a bunch of different broadleaf weeds. I've got some spurge and I've got some crabgrass. So what I did with the issues that I have in my lawn was called up my buddy, Pest and Lawn Jinja. I said, hey Jinja, what do I need to use that's gonna knock out the broadleaf, the spurge, and the crabgrass? And he recommended using a mixture of Speedzone and Tenacity. He said that the mixture of those two would hit all of the weeds targeted and should do a pretty good job of getting rid of all of them. So if you look on Speedzone, the active ingredients are 2,4-D, methoprop P acid, dicamba, and carfentrazone ethyl. That's gonna knock out pretty much everything except for the crabgrass, which I'm gonna hit with this Tenacity. I've used Tenacity in the past, been really happy with it. I've noticed that it's out of stock in a lot of places. Duland carries a generic Tenacity. It's called Miso 4SC. It's the same percentage of active ingredient, so it should do the exact same job. I just had this Tenacity left over from when I used it before. Now, both of these products are labeled for a blanket spray of your lawn. I'm not a big blanket spray guy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix up in this 1 gallon B&G pump sprayer. I'm gonna mix up just a gallon of it with a little bit of this blue marking dye, and I should be able to use that, and that should be more than enough to spot spray the spots on my lawn.
Wrong.
All right, after further inspection, we're gonna throw it in the backpack sprayer and we're gonna broadcast spray on the whole lawn. It's a little bit worse than I thought it was. Blanket sprayed the front, I spot sprayed the back, and I sprayed down here to see what is going to happen to all these suckers. Anywhere that I've got bare ground, weeds just move in like incredibly fast. So I'm hoping that the mixture of the Speedzone and the Tenacity is going to knock it out really well. Alright guys, I'm going to update over the next couple of days. Probably I'll take pictures of some of these weeds every day and we will see what happens. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it and I will see you next time. Bye!